Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up and trying on everything I received in my February Play by Sephora box. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get into it. I've been receiving this box for quite a few months. I actually canceled for a while, but I have had it again for a while. I will link the playlist down below. I do this unboxing every month. I like to try this stuff on for you guys so you can kind of get a feel of what I'm actually getting in the box. I will link everything that I get down below. This box does retail for $10 a month, and I will link the subscription box down below as well in case you're interested in signing up or researching it for yourself. But for now, let's hop into what I got and I will apply it for you. When you open up the box, this is what it looks like. It just says February 2019 and it says mix your love potion. And then it has all of the products on this side. So let's get into what I got. I can't remember if it was last month or maybe the month before. I had like one thing to try actually on my face. I do have a few products to try on my face for a change. So the first thing is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I feel like I've tried this before, but I was looking in my drawer and the only Clinique foundation I could find was the Pep Start. So maybe I haven't tried this before. I don't know. I can't really smell anything. Yeah, it doesn't really smell. It feels like pretty lightweight. I think I was expecting it to feel heavier because of the name. I thought it was going to be like a heavier cream that was super moisturizing, but it's actually, it feels more like a light gel formula, and I actually like the way that it feels so far. We'll see how makeup applies on top of it though. I just pulled up the pamphlet and it says a refreshing gel cream that boosts moisture and helps skin stay hydrated. So there you go, it is a gel cream. I could have just read that and I would have known. Okay, I went in and primed my skin. The next product is something I've actually been dying to try for a long time. I'm not sure why I haven't tried it, but it is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is in the shade 2N1 Desert Beige. Hopefully it is a shade match. It does say 2N1, so I'm thinking it is a neutral undertone. This little bottle is so cute. I actually don't think that the full size has a pump either, so I think this might be like the exact packaging that it comes in. It does look like it'll match me pretty well. We'll see. It's kind of thick, so it's hard to get out of this bottle. I wonder if the bigger size is easier because you can kind of shake it more. We will see. I'm just gonna blend that out and see how it goes. I don't really know how thick or anything it's gonna be. Okay, that definitely covered nicely. It doesn't feel really heavy. I was expecting it to feel heavier, but it does feel pretty decent. I feel like around my chin area, it looks a little bit broken up. I've been having some issues in that area anyway, so I will try it with a different like moisturizer primer combo again, but so far so good. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup until the next product in here and I will be right back. Okay, I finished up most of my makeup. The only thing I have left is lips, and I did receive this Bite Beauty lipstick. This is the Amuse Bouche lipstick in Maple, and it says a high impact lipstick with a rich brick red color and soft creamy texture. It definitely is a red shade. If you guys have been following me, you know I do not wear red lipstick. I actually hate the color red. It is my least favorite color. So I am not going to try that on. Because I have other lipsticks from this collection, I actually received this one, which is Spritzer, in a box. I think it may have been in a BoxyCharm, but it's like this purple color, which again, I don't really wear. And then I've decluttered some of them that I had because they just weren't colors that I would wear. But these two colors are both colors I really like. So I have this tiny one in Honeycomb, which is a really pretty nude color. And then I also have this full size in Pepper. which is also a really pretty color. I'm just gonna line my lips with my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And then I'm actually gonna go in with the honeycomb color. So I actually love the formula of these lipsticks. It is so good, but this color, I just feel like somebody else in my life will get a ton of use out of this. It's just not gonna be me because red is just not my color. The next product is from Caudalie. This is the Vinosource Cream Sorbet. This is a moisturizing sorbet. I've actually gotten this in a box before. I don't know if it was specifically this box or a different one, but I have received this before. And I will say I do really like it. It's very, very lightweight. It's moisturizing. It feels good. I love it. This is a really luxurious brand, so it's nice to get something from them, but yeah. I wish I wouldn't get so many duplicates in the subscription boxes that I get. And then last but not least, this is the bonus this month. It is a fragrance from Dolce & Gabbana. It's called The Only One. And it does have one of the sprays on it. Let me move my drink before I spray this in it. Ooh, I actually really like that. Yeah, that smells good. That can go into my little bin of sample fragrances. Oh, I almost forgot. I do have one more thing. This is from Wander Beauty. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They are just those masks that go right under your eyes. I have tried the ones from Patchology, I've tried the ones from Tarte, and I've tried one other brand, I can't remember. I haven't tried these ones yet, so I will give them a try next time I am feeling like my eyes are looking a little puffy. I do like them, but yeah, so we'll see. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I received in my box this month. Let me know down below if you received this box. Did you get the same stuff I got? Did you get different stuff? Let me know all the things down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.